Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update apps on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the Play Store app on your device. This is where all your app downloads and updates are managed, so it's the central hub for keeping your applications current. Once the Play Store opens, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open a menu with various options related to your Google account and app management. From the menu that appears, tap on Manage Apps and Device. This section gives you a comprehensive overview of all the apps installed on your Pixel 8 Pro, including which ones need updates and how much storage they're using. Next, you'll notice two tabs at the top of the screen. Tap on Manage to access the full list of your installed applications. This view allows you to see all your apps in one place and control their updates individually rather than updating everything at once. Now, scroll down through the list to find the specific app you want to update. The list displays all your installed apps alphabetically, making it easy to locate what you're looking for. For example, let's say you want to update Messenger. Once you find it in the list, check the checkbox beside it. You can select multiple apps if you want to update several at once, but for now, we'll focus on just one. After selecting the app, look at the top of the screen. You'll see an update icon appear. This icon only becomes active once you've selected at least one app that needs updating. Tap this update icon and the update process will begin immediately. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download and installation status. Depending on the size of the update and your internet connection speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. And that's it. You've successfully updated an app on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. This method gives you precise control over which apps to update and when, rather than relying on automatic updates. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.